Hi, this is Raja Babu, and I will be presenting my presentation for 426 project that I did. And I'm using AWS, and that's why my project is AWS Serverless Timesheet Management System. So, in this system is so simple. This is made for the employee and employer to make everything easier. So, for this, I will be using AWS services, which is total five services, which include AWS S3 bucket, Lambda, API gateway, and DynamoDB. These are the functions that I will be using for this project, and this project usually will help employer to record their employee details and track their time, that what they have done, what they have submitted. So this is my original architect design that I made, uh, which looks nice, but as I have limitation as a student, so I have deleted the Amazon Cognito and Amazon CloudFront. The reason I removed this because I don't have permission for the Cognito, and Amazon CloudFront I deleted because this is a small project, and because of that I did not use this CloudFront, because this is only for the bigger project. So in this I have implemented now, and this is my implemented architect design. So here we can see that a smooth process for the users, for the employee to access the website and task. So in this we can see there's a five services that I'm using. Like once employee log in here, they go to the S3 website where they can see the details by logging by using their ID card, like ID number, and then they go to the task function. So I'm using a for AWS Lambda function. In this there's a login function and then get task function. So once employee login, it got get verified from the employee table, which is in DynamoDB. And second one is AWS Lambda get function, get a task function, which takes all the tasks from the task table. And then after that there's a two another services that I'm using, which is AWS Lambda submit task function and then list submission function. This is also from the Dynamo DB table, where all the tasks gets recorded. And once after this all goes to the Amazon SNS, which we can receive the email confirmation whenever the employees submit their task, and this email confirmation goes to the manager. So now let's go in. Now I will demonstrate my project to you guys, so we can see how this works. So first we'll go here. This is the website for the employee. So in this employee, just they have to type the employee ID number. So let's do the 4. So employee 4. So once employees sign in, they can see all the tasks that they have been assigned. So we can see the employee 4 with her name is Sarah Johnson, and she works in the marketing department, and according to her department she has given some 6 random tasks for today, and there's a time that she can adjust, like how much time they have spent it on this. And after this we can see a total time that this employee need to work and this task. So we'll hit submit button. So once we hit submit, so I'll show you the manager dashboard. This is the manager dashboard where the manager can see what employee they are doing and what they have submitted. So right now I have a 28 employee, a 28 submission, and there's a 10 employee. So let's submit this. So once I submit this task, we can see this got submitted successfully. And just remember, this is Sarah Johnson, employee number 4. The moment I submitted, I got the email confirmation by the AWS. So let's open this email. I'll open. So it just came in, so we can see the time. It's 0 minute ago, where it says Sarah Johnson has completed a six task. And same thing we'll see. So right now 28, but we need to refresh. Once I refresh this dashboard, we can see this changes to 29. So now we have total 29 submission, and the latest submission was Sarah Johnson, where we can see that she has submitted the six tasks. And then same time we can calculate how many hours employees have, total hours spent it, and same time we can see the individual hours which has been spent, and we can refresh this, and all this latest data we can record. Same time we have employee details here, and now I'll show you. And also you can download this file. So once I downloaded this, I can open the employee timesheet, which shows us how many employee has been logged in, when they log in, uh, what project they have submitted, and their ID number, the time they have spent it, and date, everything, all the details. So it's easy for the employer to download the detail from the website. Now I will show you this detail in DynamoDB. So in DynamoDB I have a employee section, where I have all the 10 employees, and then I have a task table where I have assigned all the tasks, and then I have a task submission table where all the tasks will record. So the latest one we can see only the MR one, and so I think I have to refresh this, but yeah, right now this is the updated one. And same thing we can see here that uh, Sarah Johnson submitted. So in this we can see that my Dynamo table is working with all the details that I have: task submission, and the employee details. Same time we can see my website is working. Second, the manager dashboard is working, and with that I have a lambda function which is working. That's why we can see all of detail. But I just want to show you that I'm using this get task function, login function, and then submit task function, and then list submission function. So this is my project, and this is how this works. And yeah, and I have added all the code and all the information in this, like the challenges, and then I have also added the project cost, and I have attached the email Excel sheet where we can see the calculation, that how much we're gonna spend for this project for 2 years. And so yeah, this is my project, and thank you so much.